Lurking inside an asteroid, life's ingredients. Date, January 31, 2025. Introduction. NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission made a groundbreaking return in 2023, delivering samples from the asteroid Bennu. Recent analyses have unveiled compelling evidence suggesting that the building blocks of life are not only present on Earth but may also be widespread throughout the solar system. This report summarizes the significant findings from the samples collected, the conditions that may have contributed to life's ingredients, and the implications for the search for extraterrestrial life. Background of the mission. Launched in 2016, the OSIRIS-REx Origins Spectral Interpretation Resource Identification Security Regolith Explorer spacecraft aimed to study the asteroid Bennu, a remnant from the early solar system. Bennu, which formed approximately 4.5 billion years ago, is believed to contain primordial materials that could offer insights into the formation of planets and the origins of life. Key findings. 1. Organic molecules and life's ingredients. The samples returned from Bennu have been found to contain a diverse array of organic molecules, including 14 of the 20 amino acids essential for life on Earth. Additionally, all 5 nucleobases that are integral to DNA and RNA have been identified. This discovery suggests that the fundamental components necessary for life were not only available on early Earth but were likely common in the early solar system. 2. Conditions for chemical reactions. Research indicates that Bennu's parent body originated in the cold outer regions of the solar system. The extreme cold conditions allowed for the accumulation and freezing of volatile gases such as water vapor and ammonia. These conditions were conducive to complex organic compound formation. The presence of ammonia, which can react with formaldehyde to produce amino acids, further supports this theory. 3. Evaporite minerals. Notably, the samples contained a complete set of evaporite minerals which are formed through the evaporation of saltwater. This finding implies that Bennu's ancestor may have experienced periods of warm conditions that allowed for the presence of liquid water. Liquid water is critical for the chemical reactions that underpin life, and the presence of these evaporite minerals suggests that Bennu's history included prolonged periods where water was available, potentially in underground pockets. 4. Implications for extraterrestrial life. The findings from Bennu significantly enhance the hypothesis that life's building blocks may be prevalent throughout the universe. The researchers suggest that if Bennu harbored these essential components, icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn such as Europa and Enceladus might also possess similar ingredients conducive to life. Timeline of events. 2016 – Launch of NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission. 2023 – Successful return of samples from Bennu to Earth. 2024 – Extensive analysis of the samples conducted by scientists from various institutions. January 29, 2025 – Key findings published in the journal Nature revealing the prevalence of life's ingredients in the solar system. Comparative analysis of sources. Source 1 NYT, focused on the broader implications for the search for extraterrestrial life and the uniqueness of Earth's conditions. Source 2 SL Tribune, provided a general overview of the findings without extensive detail. Source 3 University of Arizona, offered in-depth insights into the scientific methods and mineral composition of the samples, highlighting the environmental conditions that may have existed on Bennu's ancestor. Conclusion. The analysis of the samples from Bennu not only enriches our understanding of the origins of life on Earth but also suggests that the essential ingredients for life are widespread throughout our solar system. This raises the tantalizing prospect of discovering life beyond our planet as researchers continue to explore celestial bodies that may harbor similar conditions and materials. The findings from Bennu serve as a reminder of the complexities of life's origins and the interconnectedness of celestial bodies within our solar system, offering a hopeful outlook on the potential for life beyond Earth. The findings from the analysis of samples collected from the asteroid Bennu by NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission present several counterintuitive insights about the origins of life and the potential for life beyond Earth. 1. Widespread life ingredients. One of the most striking revelations is that the building blocks of life, including 14 of the 20 amino acids and all 5 nucleobases necessary for DNA and RNA, were found in the Bennu samples. This challenges the long-held assumption that the conditions for the emergence of life are rare and unique to Earth. Instead, it suggests that the necessary organic molecules may be common throughout the solar system, implying that life could potentially arise on other celestial bodies that share similar chemical ingredients. 2. Cold origins leading to warm conditions. The research indicates that Bennu's parent body originated in the cold outer regions of the solar system, which typically would be thought of as inhospitable for life. However, these extremely cold conditions allowed volatile gases to freeze and accumulate, leading to complex organic compounds formation. This finding reverses the expectation that warmer environments are solely responsible for the chemistry of life, highlighting that even in cold regions life's ingredients can form. 3. Evaporite minerals as indicators of warmth. The presence of evaporite minerals in the Bennu samples suggests that its ancestor experienced warm conditions conducive to the existence of liquid water, contradicting the notion that asteroids are only cold. Barren rocks. This challenges the conventional view of asteroids as merely remnants of the solar system's formation, devoid of the environments necessary for life. 4. Liquid water's role. While it is widely recognized that liquid water is essential for life, the new findings indicate that the conditions that allow for liquid water to exist can be quite different from what we see on Earth. The research suggests that Bennu's ancestor may have had underground pockets of water which could exist without boiling away due to a lack of atmospheric pressure. This opens up the possibility that other celestial bodies such as icy moons could also host liquid water in forms that are not immediately visible, challenging our understanding of where we might find life. 5. Formation of complex molecules. The idea that complex organic molecules necessary for life can form in environments previously thought to be too cold or inhospitable is a significant shift in perspective. The research indicates that reactions between simple compounds like ammonia and formaldehyde could lead to the formation of amino acids even in the frigid conditions of the outer solar system, suggesting that life's building blocks could be synthesized in a variety of environments. 6. Implications for extraterrestrial life. The findings imply that if Bennu contains life's essential ingredients, then other celestial bodies, particularly those with similar conditions like the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, could also harbor the potential for life. This challenges the idea that Earth-like conditions are a prerequisite for life, expanding the range of environments where we might search for extraterrestrial life. In summary, the analysis of Bennu samples not only enhances our understanding of the origins of life on Earth but also proposes that the essential ingredients for life are prevalent throughout our solar system. This raises compelling questions about the existence of life beyond our planet and suggests that the universe may be more hospitable to life than previously thought. The findings from NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission regarding the asteroid Bennu have unveiled several key insights into the origins of life and the potential for life beyond Earth. While many will focus on the discovery of organic molecules and amino acids, several subtler details are significant and are likely to be overlooked. 1. Diverse organic chemistry. The presence of 14 of the 20 amino acids essential for life and all 5 nucleobases that form DNA and RNA on Bennu highlights a complex organic chemistry that is not merely a curiosity but a vital aspect of understanding life's potential on other celestial bodies. The significance of this finding lies in its implications for the distribution of life's building blocks throughout the universe. The fact that these organic molecules were found in a body like Bennu suggests that the ingredients necessary for life are likely not exclusive to Earth or even our solar system. This challenges the notion of Earth as a unique cradle for life and suggests that numerous locations in the cosmos may have similar potential for life to arise. 2. Formation conditions of organic compounds. Many reports focus on the organic molecules themselves but overlook the conditions under which they formed. Bennu's parent body formed in the cold outer regions of the solar system, where temperatures could plummet to -400 degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme cold allowed volatile gases to freeze, creating a rich environment for complex organic compounds to develop. The significance of this is twofold. It suggests that other bodies in similar cold environments may also be rich in organic chemistry and that these conditions could lead to the formation of life-sustaining compounds. 3. Implications of evaporite minerals. The discovery of a complete set of evaporite minerals in Bennu's samples is particularly noteworthy. Evaporite minerals indicate that Bennu's ancestor had warm conditions that allowed for the presence of liquid water, a crucial ingredient for life. The significance of evaporite minerals extends beyond their mere presence. They reveal that the asteroid's history included prolonged periods of liquid water, potentially in underground pockets. This aspect is often overshadowed by the more glamorous discoveries of amino acids but is critical in understanding the environmental context that supports life. The existence of salts and minerals that prevent water from freezing and facilitate chemical reactions could have provided the necessary conditions for life's precursors to emerge. 4. The warm interior hypothesis. Many narratives may neglect the implications of the hypothesis that Bennu's parent body may have had a warm enough interior to support liquid water over substantial periods. This is significant because it suggests that the environments conducive to life could exist not only on the surface of celestial bodies but also beneath their crusts, expanding the search for life beyond what we traditionally consider habitable zones. This idea encourages scientists to look at icy moons and other celestial bodies with subsurface oceans as potential habitats for life. 5. Ancient environments and their relevance. The research indicates that the conditions on Bennu's ancestor could be analogous to environments on early Earth, such as salty ponds. This connection highlights the potential for similar environments to exist elsewhere in the solar system, providing a roadmap for future exploration. While many discussions focus on the implications for extraterrestrial life, the specifics of these ancient environments can guide future missions to the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn where similar conditions might exist. 6. Technological advances in analysis. The sophisticated technologies employed in analyzing the Bennu samples, such as focused ion beam and secondary electron microscopy, are significant in their own right. They represent a leap in our ability to study extraterrestrial materials. The ability to analyze at such a granular level allows scientists to uncover details that were previously inaccessible, paving the way for deeper understanding not only of these samples but also of other celestial materials collected in the future. This technological advancement is an important narrative in the context of scientific progress and exploration. Conclusion. The findings from the OSIRIS-REx mission are monumental in reinforcing the idea that life's building blocks may be ubiquitous in the universe. However, the more nuanced aspects, such as the specific conditions for organic compound formation, the significance of evaporite minerals, and the implications of ancient environments, are crucial for painting a complete picture of life's potential beyond Earth. These details are not just scientific footnotes. They represent critical insights that could reshape our understanding of life in the cosmos and the environments that foster it. The implications of these discoveries encourage a more expansive view of where and how we search for life in the universe. Here are the 4 most valuable points from the content regarding the findings from NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission and their implications for understanding life's origins. 1. Discovery of organic molecules. The samples from Asteroid Bennu contained a diverse array of organic molecules, including 14 of the 20 amino acids essential for life and all 5 nucleobases that form DNA and RNA. This discovery is pivotal as it suggests that the building blocks of life were not only present on early Earth but were also likely widespread throughout the early solar system. This finding challenges the notion of Earth's uniqueness in hosting life and implies that the ingredients necessary for life could exist on other celestial bodies. 2. Chemical formation conditions. The conditions under which the organic compounds formed on Bennu's parent body were conducive to the development of life's building blocks. The research indicated that Bennu's parent body originated in the cold outer regions of the solar system where volatile gases could freeze and accumulate. This extreme cold facilitated chemical reactions that produced complex organic compounds, emphasizing the role of environmental conditions and the potential for life to arise. 3. Presence of evaporite minerals. The identification of evaporite minerals in the Bennu samples suggests that Bennu's ancestor experienced warm conditions that allowed liquid water to exist. The presence of these minerals indicates that water essential for life could have been present in significant amounts, possibly in underground reservoirs. This insight into the asteroid's history enhances our understanding of how prolonged exposure to liquid water may have contributed to the development of life's building blocks. 4. Implications for extraterrestrial life. The findings bolster the hypothesis that the ingredients for life are common throughout the universe. If Bennu contained the essential components for life, it raises the possibility that other celestial bodies, such as the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, may also harbor similar ingredients conducive to life. This significantly increases the odds of finding extraterrestrial life and underscores the importance of exploring other planets and moons in the search for life beyond Earth. These points not only enhance our understanding of the origins of life on Earth but also expand the scope of astrobiological research, suggesting that life may be more widespread in the universe than previously thought. Here are 3 famous historical cases that share similarities with the findings from the asteroid Bennu regarding life's ingredients. 1. The Murchison meteorite 1969. The Murchison meteorite, which fell in Australia, is one of the most studied meteorites in history. Upon examination, scientists discovered a variety of organic compounds including more than 70 amino acids, some of which are also found in living organisms. This discovery raised the possibility that the building blocks of life could exist in space and could have been delivered to Earth via meteorites, contributing to the emergence of life. The findings from the Murchison meteorite echo the revelations from Bennu, particularly regarding the presence of organic molecules and amino acids. 2. The Miller-Urey experiment 1953. The Miller-Urey experiment was a groundbreaking study that simulated the conditions thought to be present on the early Earth. By creating an environment that included water, methane, ammonia, and hydrogen, Stanley Miller and Harold Urey were able to produce amino acids from simple chemicals through electrical discharges simulating lightning. Their work provided evidence that organic compounds essential for life could form under prebiotic conditions. The recent discoveries from Bennu, which suggest that similar organic compounds could form in space, reinforce the ideas established by Miller and Urey regarding the origins of life's building blocks. 3. The Viking landers 1976. NASA's Viking missions to Mars aimed to search for signs of life on the Martian surface. Among various experiments, the Viking landers conducted tests to analyze the soil's chemical composition and the presence of organic molecules. Although the Viking missions did not find definitive evidence of life, they did uncover complex organic chemistry on Mars, raising questions about the planet's potential to support life in its past or present. The findings from Bennu suggest that the building blocks of life could be more widespread throughout the solar system than previously thought, lending credence to the ongoing search for life on Mars and other celestial bodies. These historical cases illustrate the ongoing exploration and discoveries related to the fundamental ingredients of life. Much like the recent findings from the asteroid Bennu, they highlight the significance of studying extraterrestrial materials in understanding the origins of life on Earth and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. Future outlook, predictions for life's ingredients and extraterrestrial discoveries. The recent findings from NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission, specifically regarding the samples collected from the asteroid Bennu, provide a significant leap in our understanding of the origins of life and the potential for life beyond Earth. As we look toward the future, several predictions can be made about how these discoveries will shape our scientific endeavors and our quest to understand life's ingredients in the universe. 1. Increased focus on astrobiology. The discovery of organic molecules and amino acids in Bennu samples will likely lead to an intensified focus on astrobiology as a discipline. Scientists are expected to delve deeper into the biochemical processes that may occur in extraterrestrial environments, especially those resembling conditions found on Bennu. Research will increasingly target icy bodies in the solar system such as Europa and Enceladus, where similar primordial ingredients may exist, providing fertile ground for life. 2. Advancements in sample return missions. Following the success of OSIRIS-REx, future missions aimed at retrieving samples from other celestial bodies are likely to be prioritized. The insights gained from Bennu's samples will encourage space agencies including ESA and CNSA to initiate similar missions to asteroids, comets, and potentially moons of gas giants. These missions could target bodies that are believed to have had liquid water and organic compounds, thereby broadening our understanding of where and how life could emerge. 3. Development of new analytical techniques. As more samples are returned from space, the demand for innovative analytical techniques will grow. The findings from Bennu have already highlighted the need for advanced instruments capable of detecting and analyzing complex organic molecules in extraterrestrial samples. Future space missions will likely incorporate cutting-edge technologies such as enhanced mass spectrometers and imaging systems to facilitate more detailed analysis of the chemical compositions found in these samples. 4. Broader implications for the search for extraterrestrial life. The implications of Bennu's findings extend beyond our solar system. The discovery that life's building blocks may be widespread throughout the universe will likely influence how scientists approach the search for extraterrestrial life. This could lead to a more systematic exploration of exoplanets, particularly those within the habitable zone of their stars where conditions may permit the presence of liquid water and organic materials. 5. Enhanced collaboration across disciplines. The significant findings from the OSIRIS-REx mission are expected to foster collaboration among various scientific disciplines, including chemistry, planetary science, and biology. Researchers may work together to model the conditions under which life could arise in different extraterrestrial environments. This interdisciplinary approach could yield novel insights into the chemistry of life and inform the design of future missions aimed at discovering biosignatures on other planets. 6. Philosophical and societal impacts. As the potential for life beyond Earth becomes more scientifically plausible, philosophical and societal discussions regarding humanity's place in the universe will intensify. The prospect of finding life elsewhere could challenge long-held beliefs about human uniqueness and prompt a re-evaluation of ethical considerations regarding the exploration and potential exploitation of other worlds. 7. Implications for climate change and Earth's future. The insights gained from studying celestial bodies like Bennu could also have implications for understanding Earth's own processes and climate. By uncovering how organic compounds and water interact in different environments, scientists may draw parallels to early Earth conditions, offering clues to the planet's climate history and future. This knowledge could inform strategies to address current environmental challenges. 8. New theories on life's origins. The findings from Bennu may stimulate the development of new theories regarding the origins of life. Researchers are likely to explore various hypotheses about how life's building blocks transition from simple organic molecules to complex cellular structures. This research could lead to a deeper understanding of prebiotic chemistry and the environmental conditions that fostered the emergence of life on Earth and potentially elsewhere. Conclusion. The revelations from the OSIRIS-REx mission open new avenues for exploration and understanding in the realm of astrobiology and the origins of life. As we move further into the 21st century, the predictions outlined here suggest a future rich with possibilities for discovering new forms of life, understanding the chemistry of the cosmos, and redefining our place in the universe. The quest for knowledge about life's ingredients will not only enhance our scientific understanding but may also reshape our cultural and philosophical perspectives in profound ways.